everyone. I was just finishing watering my Cattleyas, and I was thinking how much better they are growing now than when I started. My main issue with Cattleyas from the very beginning was the root loss. Maybe it happens the same with other people that are starting, so maybe this video will be of use to someone. I must advise you though that this is not a care guide for Cattleyas. I would just like to share with you very briefly the important role of repotting, and it is just a simple tip really, which experienced growers know all about, but we don't think about it when we start. I grow my Cattleyas either on mounts or on these net baskets. In this case, the medium I use is orchids bark mixed with small pieces of charcoal. These type of baskets are very airy, and so is the medium I use, so they dry almost equally fast. I mean, either mounts or baskets must be watered daily most of the time. This is my type of growing, the one that suits better my urge to water and my climate, which is quite temperate where I live. So it's not like I am recommending it or anything. I'm just letting you know what I do. Everybody knows it's a basic fact that Cattleyas need to be watered and dry very fast, so I'm not talking about it. Medium alone does not grow an orchid or roots. We growers do. I used to experiment all types of medium. I had my Cattleyas in shredded cork bark, river stone, water culture, and even semi-hydro. I managed to get roots with every medium, but no method was perfect. Each one had a downside. I didn't experiment for long enough, and I went on to the next one at the cost of root loss. I blamed the methods, but finally I found out I was the only one to blame. The problem of root loss was not the medium. It was not the method. It was the timing. I realized that Cattleyas resent having all the roots disturbed and have a tendency to lose the older roots, the mature roots, when changing medium. Hence the importance of relying on new roots to replace the older ones. Therefore, the tip is we should repot only when there is evidence of root activity, no matter the time of the year. Waiting for fresh root tips to appear or the beginning of a new growth will help to ensure that plants' speedy recovery from the shock of repotting. However, there is an important detail to take into consideration. The new roots should not be allowed to grow very long before the repotting, or you will lose the perfect timing. The longer they grow, the more they mature, and the difficulty in adapting to the new conditions increases. But be careful with the new root tips, not to break them either. It is also important to know that not all Cattleyas produce roots at the same stage of growth. Some throw roots before the new growth matures, others after it has bloomed. There are a few variables. Being able to predict when new roots are bound to be produced is a good thing so that we can plan repotting in advance. So, as we grow and learn from our Cattleyas, I believe that a sense of when to repot will develop. Observation of the plants throughout the year will help in the process, and there is so much to know about this, but that's another story. These were just some considerations that result of some research, but mostly my personal experience. They might seem easy, but not until you come across with the solution. Hope this helped someone. Thank you very much for watching. In the next video, I'll be updating my Cattleyas. See you there.